Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me PANASONIC GH5, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up WFM Vector Scope on this camera. So to set it up, firstly you need to find it in settings. To do that, you need to open the recording manual mode. And here you can see WFM/Vector Scope settings. And here inside we have Wave, Vector and Off. So this setting on this camera allows you to monitor the waveform, and Vector Scope will be displayed on your screen while shooting. So here is several options, so we can disable this monitoring. We can enable wave mode or vector mode. So in vector mode, the camera displays a vector scope, which is a graphical representation of the color information in your scene. So it helps you to assess color balance and saturation, for example, making it useful for color grading. But when you use wave, these settings, this setting works in different way. So it shows the luminance, so brightness level of your scene, and it helps you for ensuring proper exposure. So as it allows you to see if any parts of the image are overexposed or underexposed. So it's really great for maintaining highlights and shadow detail. So when vector settings you can change after on post-production, but brightness level, for example, overexposed parts in your video may be more difficult to change or to maintain in post-production. So if you want to use wave or vector, so I suggested to use wave mode because it helps you to maintain problems with the brightness. So that's it. So of course you can change the position of the screen. Check it, for example. I'm gonna show you. It's faster. As you can see here right now, I can find out the overexposed places in my on my camera right now. As you can see here, I have the overexposed place, and as you can see, it's showing it. But for example, this place may be underexposed, and as you can see, it's all visible. So now I have it on my screen always. Of course, you can change the location of this wave, and it's a very good idea when you're recording something. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.